guys, nandito tayo sa gym kasi mag-workout tayo ng ating booty. As you can see, my booty is parang sarap. Anyway guys, kung gusto mo magkaroon ng booty, magbuhat ka ng mabigat. Bigat na bigat talaga. Kasi guys, mabilis lumaki yung booty mo kung mabigat yung buhatin mo. Kasi guys, and also guys, you have to eat a lot of protein and less carbs lang guys. Yung cheat day ko guys is Saturday and Friday. Hindi na ako nag-cheat ng Sunday guys. Diet na talaga ako every Sunday. So yung breakfast ko guys is 1 slice bread tapos 2 eggs. So yun yung pinaka-paborito ko guys na workout. Ewan ko kung anong pangalan mo. Kalimutan ko yung pangalan. Yan. Ewan ko kung anong sasabihin ko ba. Anyway guys. Because my face is breaking out. Nawala ng power. So extra triceps ako guys. Tapos konting pa-flex lang. 15 reps din. Tapos 4 sets. So yun lang guys. Thank you for watching. Always take care of yourself. Bye.